The purpose of this video is to learn how to read individual student data. So let's go through the basics. The first is to look in this grade level column. The silhouette represents the student's grade level and the book represents their independent reading level. So this is a 10th grader reading independently at 6th grade level. The next three columns represents the three conditions of UPAR. One, where the student reads silently in their head and answers comprehension questions. Next, where the computer reads with a human narrated voice to simulate kind of like a human proctored exam. And third, where the text reader is reading the text, which is that text-to-speech or more robotic sounding speech. The next thing to understand is the color coding. So green means the upper quartile, and what we're really looking for, the purpose of an accommodation is independence. So we're really looking for our students to be in that upper quartile or the green color. Yellow stands for the middle two quartiles. We call that the instructional level. And red is the bottom quartile, and we would call that frustration level. And obviously, we want to keep our students out of frustration level tests. So now that we know the basic components, let's look at Mindy's data. First of all, again, she's a 10th grader reading at a 6th grade level. Our reading data correlates to and triangulates with your reading data. That said, yes, Mindy reads independently at a 6th grade level. UPAR then went to look at her human audio condition. We go right to grade level because, again, the role of a reading accommodation is access to grade level. You can see she scored very low in the middle quartile. So then we actually went down and found that she still didn't do well. We kept trying to go down to find a place where she landed, and we couldn't find anything for her. So then we jumped over to the text reader column. You can see at grade level, she scored in the upper quartile. And so we actually wanted to probe a little bit higher to see if she could actually go up on in this condition. And she was able to comprehend at 100% at the 12th grade. From here, we can see that a text reader is really her best reading accommodation. We can also see that a text reader actually makes a 6th grade level difference. She independently reads at 6th grade, but with a text reader, she can comprehend at a 12th grade level. So that's how you read your UPAR data. Every student will look different, but those are the basic components.